The sun shelf is an easy setup indoor plant shelf with powerful built-in grow lights. You can customize it to your needs, choosing from a range of sizes and a number of hydroponic basins. The setup is easier than ever before, with the frame taking about 20 minutes for 2 people to set up, and the lighting and wiring taking a breezy 3 minutes to clip on. When starting the setup, ensure that each set of side frames have the countersink for the screws facing outwards from the shelf. There will be 3 layers with built-in clips for attaching the lights, and 1 layer with no clips. Make sure to use the no clip layer as the bottom shelf. There are 4 side frame pieces, and 2 of them are sized for this bolt. So when connecting the 2 side frames together, check which frames this bolt fits into, and place 1 frame on the left of the shelf and the other on the right. Once the frame is set up, you can use the adhesive clips provided to fasten the shelf to the wall. Any of the lights can go on any of the layers. Once installed, plug in the controller to one end of the light panel, and then plug the other end of the controller into the main splitter cable. Finally, plug the main splitter cable into the power adapter, which then plugs into the wall. You can use these adhesive clips to tidy up the cabling however you like. If you've bought the sun patch extension as well, you can place it on the top layer, plug it into the adapter, and plug the adapter into a wall outlet. If you're growing hydroponically, you can set up our basins as seen in the heirloom basin setup video. The pump plugs into the other end of the light panel and follows the timer set by the controller. Add hydroponic nutrients as suggested on the nutrient bottle, and check the water level indicator when refilling. It's a big basin which is tough to move when heavy, so make sure you move it into place and then fill it with water. Once set up, you can use the timer to change between 8, 12 and 16 hours on a 24-hour cycle. You can also choose between 5 different intensity settings. We hope you love your sun shelf as much as we've loved making and testing it. Happy gardening!